In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Seeking Alpha analysis. If you've ever wondered how to quickly tap into expert and crowdsourced research on a single stock, the Analysis tab is where it all comes together. We'll keep it simple and practical. First, search a stock ticker in the search bar. On the home page, the search bar is prominent at the top. Type the short ticker symbol, for example AAPL for Apple, or the company's full name, and then choose the correct match from the suggestions. Tickers are those brief letter codes that identify a stock on an exchange, and many companies have similar names, so watch for the exact symbol and exchange to make sure you land on the right listing. If you're ever unsure, the ticker plus the company logo and full name in the results is a quick way to double-check you've selected the right one. Next, open the stock page. This is the central hub for the company. You'll see the live share price, a quick chart, and a row of summary tabs across the top of the page. Pause for a second here to confirm the header shows the proper ticker and company name. This keeps you from reviewing analysis on the wrong stock. Think of this page as your dashboard, where news, financials, ratings, and community insights are grouped in one place for speedy navigation. Now, click Analysis under the Stock Summary tabs. This is your curated stream of deep dives, opinion pieces, and rating updates focused specifically on the company. Right away, you'll notice recent articles organized by publish date. Use the headlines and preview text to gauge each author's thesis and check the labels that signal whether a piece is bullish, bearish, or neutral. Dates matter. Fresh analysis reflects the latest earnings, guidance, or macro shifts, so prioritize recent posts when momentum or news flow is active. As you read, look for recurring themes across multiple authors, like valuation concerns, margin trends, or competitive pressure. Consistency across different voices can strengthen a thesis, while conflicting takes reveal where uncertainty or opportunity might lie. Pay attention to how authors frame catalysts and risks, which models they use to estimate fair value, and whether their assumptions seem realistic for revenue growth, margins, or cash flow. That's the entire workflow. Search the ticker, open the stock page, and click the Analysis tab to explore the latest thinking. Use it to build context before earnings, pressure test your own view, or simply stay current on debates around a name you follow.